Hello everyone, welcome back to my third unboxing of these University Yums. Let's see what country it is. It's France. Some fancy snacks. And a cool sticker. And here's a packet of information of the fun facts, recipes. I have a mushroom recipe. I'm not sure what it is. Or trivia, let's do later. Ooh, gold aioli potato chips. So good. Okay, let's see what's next on here. Oh, some type of cheesy crackle thing. It looks like a type of cookie. $18.88. And here's the gold aioli chips. In the previous video, I had the chili and goat cheese chips, which were really good. A strawberry chewy candy. Oh no. I had the popcorn truffle thing, and it was not that good. So I hope these will be good. And the Yum bag. Okay, I'll be doing the sweet stuff first, and be saving the savory stuff, because I prefer savory. I will be reviewing this Yum bag, filled with like candies and stuff. This is a strawberry chewy candy, or raspberry. And I'm trying the raspberry. These look like caramels. Interesting. It's hard. It took too long to chew. It was good. It's like a hard dough now and then though to chew. Now let's try these caramels. But these are difficult to open. Let me cleanse my palate before tacos. Be soft. And let it melt. It melts in your mouth. Okay, now let's try these strawberry chewy things. It smells like a strawberry smoothie. And it looks like a strawberry marshmallows. Or tiny marshmallows. Oh. They were okay. This is the second artificial strawberry candy. Now we're going to try these butter cookies. Let me try these. Give me a second. I hope Cookie Monster is not around. Because you're with my arms off. 1888. I can't imagine if a witch and a butter cookie had a baby. I think Cookie Monster would approve of these. I approve them too. Now I'm going to try the truffles. I'm trying these chocolate truffle things. They're kind of big. They were refreshing. These are better than the popcorn ones I had. Pretty good. They sound like they're fudgy that you can make at Christmas. Yeah. They're pretty good. Now for the Safeway. Now we're going to try these corn cheesy snacks. Interesting smell. I can't really explain that. Okay, it's my palate. It kind of tastes like buttered popcorn. That's weird. That's really interesting. I like it. Yeah. I'm trying one more time. It's okay. And that means now we're going to be trying the garlic aioli. I'm really excited to try the garlic aioli chips. The smell. Jeez, it smells like garlic bread. Really good garlic bread. Oh, this is a long boy. Really strong garlic taste, but I really love garlic. And I can. If you're a fan of garlic, you would love these. Let me try one. Good, it's a long boy again. Oops. Fail. These are one of my favorites so far. Okay, I'm going to rate things. Last place would be these strawberry things. Still okay. They have a strong strawberry flavor. Then I told that. Then like now little candy because they were hard to chew. And same thing with the caramel. It was good, but it was really hard to chew. In fifth place we use chocolate truffle things. They're really good. Fudgy. In third place would be these butter cookies that Cookie Monster will improve of. And that's second place are these cone cheese things that remind me of butter popcorn. In first place are these garlic aioli chips. Thank you everyone who tuned into my video today after for some Yum's French snacks. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and tell your friends about this channel to help it grow. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.